The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a flash flood warning for.
Holy, this thing ate the whole...
They ain't even play.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Chambers County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, east central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Channel View, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northwestern Baytown, Deer Park, Clover Leaf, Highlands, Channelview, Barrett, Crosby, northwestern Mont Belvieu, Lake Houston Dam, Houston Ship Channel, Hunterwood, Sheldon, San Jacinto State Park, El Dorado, or Oates Prairie, North Shore and Lake Houston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Dogs is getting a home. Yeah, it makes the day a little bit better, but